So how to add a credit card to PayPal. So if you want to know how to link your credit card to PayPal, it's very simple to do. So to go ahead and add your credit card, you'll just want to go ahead and click on Accounts right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on Accounts, it will bring you through to this page here, and you simply just want to scroll down until you see all the debit cards and bank accounts on your account. So as you can see in our example, we've got Lloyds Bank, Barclays and Monzo. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a credit card as well. So to do that, you need to go to Add New. And then once you've selected Add New, you just want to select Debit and Credit Cards. Then from there, you can select either option, so you can either scan your credit card if you've got it on standby, or you can enter the card details manually. Then once you've done that, it will bring you through to this page here, so you can go ahead and obviously enter your details if you did it manually, or of course if you scanned it, you can review them here. So once you've entered all those details, you can go ahead and say Link Card. Then from there, depending on who your credit provider is, you might be asked to do verification. So for our example, we're adding a Barclays card. So from here, it's asking us to do a verification check, either by phone or the app. And once you've completed your credit card verification, you should be given this message here to let you know that your credit card has now been added to your PayPal account. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.